Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me for this simple, fast morning routine that is actually doable on a busy day. We are going to be here for 15 minutes or less, and this is a practice that you can have as a daily morning routine to just give you a little bit of an uplift, help you awaken, help you step into energy, calm, cool, collectedness throughout your day. So hopefully you are still in something comfortable that you can move in. No professional business clothes yet. Grab whatever you need to be comfortable, and I will meet you on the mat. Starting here in a comfortable seated position, I really love to start the day off with a card pull when I have time, and the one that I pulled for today felt very fitting. It is from my Land Sky Oracle deck, which is all about yoga, the 8 limbs of yoga, and it's Chimes number 33, which is all about awakening to the present moment and awakening our awareness, which I think is perfect for this practice. So to honor that sense of awakening and to honor a slow, juicy, I'm trying to think of the right words, just like a slow, beautiful, thoughtful transition from the slumber world into the busy, waking world. We're going to begin with soft circles through our rib cage, warming up the energetic center of your body, your spine, starting with small circles and letting them get bigger and bigger. Finding what feels good. Maybe it feels nice to bring the arms into this movement. Whatever helps you to wake up through your body. And switching directions. Once again, starting small, getting bigger over time, doing whatever you would like to do with your arms, even if that's just keeping them resting on your knees. And finding stillness, inhaling arms up to look up. Exhaling, drawing your elbows down towards your side, heart lifts forward, belly draws in, gaze to the ceiling, a slight arch through your back. And as you exhale, round forward, hands come together in front of you, interlacing into steepled grip as you round through your spine. Inhaling, cactus arms, drawing down to your shoulders. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, back to center. Taking a moment to squeeze everything as tight as you can, squeezing your face, lifting your shoulders up to your ears, clenching through your core, your legs, your glutes, your feet, your fingers, scrunching your face. And big sigh. Let it all out. Let's do that one more time. Tighten, 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 tighten up as much as you can. Big sigh out. And we'll come up to standing. Continuing to energize ourselves, bring gentle movement into our body, we are going to do a really beautiful exercise that is super regulating to the nervous system and really good for your fascia, which is just bouncing. And if you're an upstairs neighbor like I am, you can keep your bounces quiet, or you can really drop your heels. But we're just gently lifting through our toes, dropping down through our heels, allowing our whole body to relax and be a part of this bounce. Really relaxing, letting it all go. Deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And coming to stillness, we'll come to stand at the top of our mat in Tadasana, rooting down through your feet, gently drawing up through your front body, so lifting through your knees, your quads, your core, your chest, and the front of your head, as you simultaneously root down through the crown of your head, your shoulder blades, your glutes, and the back of your legs. From here, inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, forward fold, hands down to your toes. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. On the same exhale, plant your hands and step back into a plank position as you gently lower down to your belly for chaturanga, to cobra. You can always take that on your knees, inhaling as you press up for cobra. Exhale, tuck your toes, push up into downward facing dog. Pushing through your heels towards the ground, kneecaps lifting, pelvis, hips pointed up towards the sky, rib cage gently pulling in, shoulders plugged down through your back, slight bend to the elbow, spreading out through all 10 of your fingertips, equally distributing your weight through your feet and your hands, and letting your head hang loose. Maybe shake it a couple times, yes and no. Then find stillness here. The purpose of this is to just gently continue bringing heat into our body, stretching through all major parts of our body as we prepare for the day. Inhale, look forward, step up to the top of your mat, feet between your hands. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, flat spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, hands down to your side. We're going to take that from Surya Namaskar A, Sun Salutation 1, now flowing to Sun Salutation B. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, dropping your hips, arms come up for chair pose. Bent through your knees, quads engaged. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step or hop back to your plank position, lower down, keeping your knees up or down onto the ground. Inhale, up through cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. And here we plant our left foot. Inhale the right foot up to the sky. Exhale, step that right foot through in between your hands. Pivot your left foot so that your heel is pointed towards the back right corner of your mat, and your toes are pointed towards the front left corner of your mat. And inhale your arms up, hips squared forwards to Warrior 1, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, plant your hands, step back, come through a vinyasa, down through chaturanga to cobra. Inhale, up, exhaling to downward dog. Next side, plant your right foot. Inhale the left foot up to the sky. Exhale, step your foot through your hands. This time rotate your heel so that it is pointed towards the back left corner, toes towards the front right corner. Inhaling, arms up, look up, hips squared forwards, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to plank, lower down through chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. And find stillness here. Hopefully you're feeling energized. It's so good for our bodies to move first thing in the morning and to move out any stiffness from your time in slumberland. Inhale, look forward and step forward to the top of your mat. Forward fold. Bringing your big toes to touch as you shift your hips back, bend your knees, arms up into chair pose. Holding this for one breath. And inhale up to standing. That's going to be our last moving pose. So we're going to come down to a seated position. And you can do this on the floor, on a chair, on your couch. Sometimes I even do this when I'm in bed, and this is the only thing I have the energy to muster up for the day. But we are going to go through a quick pranayama and then a moment of meditation. So this is called alternate nostril breathing. So you'll take your pointer finger and your middle finger, glue them together, and extend your thumb and your pinky finger or your pointer finger, whichever feels better. It's hard for me to use my pointer finger. Bring your index and your middle finger to your third eye and your thumb to your right nostril. Inhaling in through the left. Closing off the right nostril. Closing off the left nostril, opening the right nostril and breathing out. Breathe in through the right. Close and switch, opening the left. Exhale. Inhaling through the left. Close. Exhale through the right. So switching which nostril you're breathing out of with every exhale. Inhaling right. And do this on your own time. Inhaling. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Switch. Exhale. Inhale. Switch. And after your next exhale out the left nostril, drop your hand, return to your normal breathing, and take these next moments of silence to focus on your breath, or if you have a mantra that you use to meditate with, you're welcome to use that. Keeping your eyes closed or your gaze looking softly down your nose. Meditation helps us to stay in the present moment and to focus on self-awareness, responding to what happens throughout our day versus reacting. You're welcome to stay in this space of meditation for as long as your morning allows. But for those of you who don't have a lot of time, you've got busy things to get back to, We'll end the class here, gently opening your eyes, slowly allowing yourself to blink in the surroundings, the beautiful light of the day. And we'll close with one final breath, inhaling, arms up, hands together, exhale, hands to heart center. The light in me honors the light in you. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Thank you for practicing with me.